Back in May, Tech Ambrosia had a giveaway. Amber designed a whole bunch of 3D printed test benches for motherboards. Really great design. I absolutely loved it. And what do you do when you have a whole bunch of stuff laying around? You do a giveaway. And I was fortunate enough to win it. And that's awesome because I never win anything. So here it is. We're going to open it up and take a look at it. Now I'm going to have a link in the description below of the live stream so you can go kind of look at it and see everything that went in there. Oh, all these packing peanuts. That's okay. It's safe. So, and I think I can, oh, look at that. That just shakes right out. So, first thing I will say, this is a lot beefier than what I expected. I'm going to dig around in here later and make sure there's no surprises hanging at the bottom. Yeah. It's, she might have said, I don't know what her infill was, but it's got some weight to it. Not too much, but it's not too light either. That's a really, I like that. Yeah, I really like that. These were, prototype iterations, and that's what happens, right? When you're designing something, you print out a whole bunch and figure out what sticks and what doesn't. And let's see what we got in the little box here. Oh, perfect. So yeah, so these are all spacers and other, required doodads to make different motherboards fit in here. And again, watch the whole live stream to see all the options for this because it's a very well thought out design. And I'm going to reach over here. Not really designed for old Mac motherboards, but I'll probably use this to... Actually, that doesn't look too bad. I'll probably use it in some bench testing of this. But, these are... I love stuff like this because here we have people in the retro tech community or even just the tech community that see a need and they work on it. And this is a really, really ingenious design because it's so flexible. Again, you need to watch Tech Ambrosia's video because this is a very utilitarian device, but there's a lot of different use cases for it, and it's incredibly flexible as far as the different types of motherboards that you can put in here and test. And you have a spot for your power supply. It can sit like this, it can sit like this. You still have access to all your I/O ports on the back, and we have French cleats over on the side here. So again, this is a really great design. Really quality 3D printing for it being a prototype. I'm not sure. I might ask what the infill was. Maybe 20%. Doesn't matter. But this is really great. I'm really stoked that I won this, and we'll be seeing this in some future videos. I have some plans for this. If you're not subscribed to Tech Ambrosia, check it out. I'll have links to the YouTube and the Twitter below. But if you like retro tech, 3D printing, low-end PCs, virtual reality, just a whole bunch of splattering of really tech stuff, give Tech Ambrosia a subscription. And if you like what we're doing, like and subscribe to Retro Tech or Die. Tell your friends. That's going to wrap up this video because I'm going to go put this guy to work right now.